One of the most valuable things that we get is the negative feedback. That takes some getting used to. The negative feedback tells you where you're off track. You can adjust course and proceed. Part of what we're learning here is how common our problems are in the startup world. And we're among a really excellent set of peers, and we're seeing them struggle with some of the same things that we're struggling with. The other is that there are a lot of tools and tricks that people like Joe and Oksana know, and we're learning those as we go. Developing a market, positioning yourself properly, finding the right investors, saying no to the right things, you know, all of the normal things that you go through, except when you're so invested in something, it's very difficult when you have those issues and you feel like you've suffered a setback, and then you have to just press on. We've set a variety, some leading, some trailing. So a leading indicator means something that is upstream from what you're trying to accomplish, and it indicates that you're headed in the right direction, as opposed to a trailing indicator, which really happens downstream from the action, and it's more of a proof that things have been accomplished. We're, I would say, doing better on the leading indicators than the trailing indicators, although we are now onboarding our first clients, and so we think that we're at the turning point in that. Getting our first clients lined up and starting to onboard them is the biggest accomplishment. In a month from now, we want to have a couple of these newly onboarded clients up and running in full. We want to have additional partnerships with the broker-dealers that we're talking to now, in addition to the ones that we're already working with. We also want to have completed the fill out of our seed round of investment.